Survey sites that pay users generally collect answers through questionnaires, which means camera access is usually not part of the basic survey process. By the end, you'll know how to check whether a survey site needs unnecessary permissions, what information legitimate survey platforms usually request, and how to avoid wasting time on low-quality apps. The first step is checking permissions before creating an account. A survey platform should explain what information it collects and why it needs that information. If a survey app asks for camera access, review the reason carefully before allowing it. A survey about your opinions, shopping habits, or preferences usually does not require camera features to complete questionnaires. Survey sites typically focus on profile information and survey responses. Your profile helps match you with surveys that fit your background, interests, or consumer habits. When signing up, complete the profile questions accurately, because incorrect information can lead to fewer matching surveys or failed survey attempts. Another thing to check is how the survey site handles your data. Read the privacy settings, account options, and information requests before spending time on the platform. A reliable survey service should clearly explain its reward system, including how users earn rewards and how they can redeem them. Avoid platforms that ask for unnecessary personal information before showing how the survey process works. The fewer unrelated details a site requests, the easier it is to understand what you are agreeing to. You should also compare survey platforms based on the actual experience. Look at how many surveys are available, how often you qualify, and how clearly the site explains requirements. Some surveys may take only a few minutes, while others may require more detailed answers. Check the estimated completion time before starting, so you know what you are committing to. The best survey sites are the ones that respect your time and clearly explain their rules. A simple sign-up process, transparent rewards, and reasonable permissions are good signs to look for. Before joining any survey platform, check 3 things: the permissions it requests, the information it collects, and the way rewards work. Taking those steps helps you avoid survey sites that ask for access they do not need and focus on platforms that provide a clearer experience. If this guide helped you understand how to find survey sites without unnecessary camera access, like the video and subscribe for more reviews of earning apps, reward platforms, and online tools.